Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be doing a full face of products that you guys can find at your local Sephora or Sephora and JCPenney's. So if you guys are interested in this video of finding some good hero products that I love that you guys probably might be interested in getting, to definitely keep on watching this video. But before we jump into it, got a little bit of business. We're at 4K, we could be at 5K if you guys hit that subscribe button if you're completely new. 5K sounds better than 4, right? Period. Also, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying my content and you guys are enjoying me. You got some oldies and some goodies, my EXO squad. Give this video a thumbs up before we even get into it. And last but not least, comment down below your favorite products at Sephora so I can, make a purchase, of course. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face real quickly. I did use a primer, the Hangover RX primer from Too Faced. This is more of a hydrating primer. I already went ahead and washed my face and prime with that as my moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip primer. This is a really great primer. It does get a little tacky, and I strongly suggest doing about 2 pumps and kind of rubbing that into your T-zone area. Get it real nice and tacky as such. Next, I like to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm going to be using some ABH products. I'm going to be using their brow definer, some dip brow, and their brow gel. So let's go ahead and do a little quick speed through of that because you guys already know how to do my brows, right? Alright, so brows are pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and conceal around it. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty. These are the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealers. I have them in shade 410 and 420. I'm going to go ahead and use 420 first, and then I'm just going to brighten it up just a little bit with 410. Alright, so brows are pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using the ABH Soft Glam palette. I know my palette looks a little beat up because it's definitely loved and used, and the shadow keeps falling out. But I'm gonna tip into this cute little bronze palette. I'm just gonna do like this cute little bronze glowy moment with this. So let's go ahead and do a little eyeshadow look. I'm gonna take this Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Toffee and just kind of prime my eye a little bit. It's a little bit darker than my normal usual concealer method that I like to do, but I am doing like a bronzy eye, so this could make the shadows here a little bit more darker and more sultrier on this look. And I'm just gonna blend this bad boy out with a blending brush. So I'm gonna dip into the shade called Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna dip that and pat that right on my crease, kind of set this concealer a little bit, but also, figure out the shape that I want to create for this look today. So I'm gonna take that shade Sienna out of that same palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying that to my crease as well too. Kind of do more of a patting motion so that it blends in with that burnt orange shade, and kind of smoke it out just a little bit. We love a smoked out moment, don't we? One moment, let me zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can kind of see what I'm exactly doing. All right, y'all are closer. Focus. Focus, Petunia. So I'm just gonna blend this shadow right here in this crease and just kind of smoke it out. I'm gonna take a clean M5 37 and I'm just gonna kind of blend out the edge just for soft purposes. I think I want to have a little special guest on here. You guys know I love having little people pop up now and then on my channel. Who should I call? Give me one moment. Hey Siri, call Dion. This is not Friday the 13th.
It's closed.
It's closed. Siri, hang up.
We're gonna have to edit this part out of the video. They just sent me He had tweeted.
Oh, girl, I'm about to put you in my headset, girl.
He was like,
Hold on, cause I need to keep this tea rolling in my ear, girl. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to put Dion. I gotta put him on my headset. My little knockoff AirPods, girl, cause I can't afford an AirPod $130 bill. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take the shade called Cypress Umber on that same 433 brush, and I'm just gonna kind of tap this right in this outer V section. Go ahead, Dion. I'm listening. Then I'm gonna dip into the shade called Nior, and I'm just going to follow right behind Cypress Umber. Taking this Moda brush, the shader brush, their M119, I'm gonna dip into the shade called Mulberry, which is that rustic red shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that all over the lid, just to kind of set this base before I do what I need to do next. Then I'm gonna dip into the sultry shade as well too, and I'm going to spray it a little bit with the Sephora setting spray, just to kind of foil the shadow more. And I'm gonna tap that right on top of Mulberry. Grabbing that M573 brush, I'm just gonna blend the crease a little bit so that the shadows are diffused. There are no harsh lines. So next I'm gonna take the Roller Lash Liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tight line my lash line. Alright, so pretty much the eye is complete. The eye is tight line and it is on point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and jump and put on some foundation. Let me go ahead and grab that real quickly and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my foundation right here in front of me. I realized after looking at the playback of this video that my lips were so chapped. Why y'all be telling me that? Why y'all just be leaving me hanging for some odd reason? Like y'all ain't no true friends, y'all. Y'all phony, y'all fake. So I'm going to be mixing two foundation. Both of them have a nice, good coverage. One of them is, well, both of them are matte finish, but I like to mix them, of course. I'm going to be mixing the Milk Makeup Blur Foundation with the Beauty Blender Velvet Matte Foundation. I love mixing these two because it kind of gives me more of like a skin-like appearance, but ultimately full coverage and not heavy and cakey. So I'm going to be mixing the shade Mocha from Milk Makeup. I'm going to do a nice dollop of that with shade 440 from Beauty Blender. Now this half-ounce size you cannot get at Sephora, but you can pick up the full size if you are interested in that foundation. And they recently came out with some more shades, so there should be something for everyone there. So I'm just going to take this on this Javanese all over face brush, and I'm just going to pounce this in first. It's like 3:30 in the morning and I got some news. I got some news to tell you. Ooh. So I was in the middle of recording this tutorial here. It's besides the point. I got some news to tell you, so I'm hoping you're sitting down. So I'm in the middle of recording this look and I get an email notification. And I go and check it, and in this email it says, "Dear Niko, congratulations. You have officially made 2019-2020 Sephora Squad." We made Sephora Squad. EXO Squad, we made Sephora Squad. We made Sephora Squad. And I know I'm like all over the place with my hands and I'm just crazy, but keep in mind it's like 3:30 in the morning. I don't want to be too loud with my neighbors, but this feeling is just so amazing. Like literally last year I was ready to give it up. I was ready to just wash my hands as an influencer, but my squad, my beauty community friends and my friends in real life just said, you got something, keep it going. We don't want you to stop. You invested so much time and money into this sphere, this space. Why give it up? And I'm here, I'm present now. I have an opportunity to use my voice and to be a representation, not only for myself and for my squads and my friends, but for the young, the Dion's out there, the young Maliks, the Jamals, the Christophers, the Nigels, the Nikos, the list goes on. I'm here to be a representation for the boys in color. I'm here to be a representation for the black boys in beauty. I am here to be that voice with Sephora. I just want to say thank you so much to my squad members for showing so much love, for sending in those testimonials. You probably was over me posting on my IG stories so many times telling you guys to drop 1 or 2. If you can, pause your lunch break and just type a testimonial for me. You probably was over it. You probably was tired of me doing it, but you guys know how much I wanted to be here so bad, and you guys helped me get here. And I just want to say thank you so much to my squad members. That 2019, 2020, us being on Sephora Squad is our year. It's our year. I also want to say that being a part of Sephora Squad is going to change things for me. I will remain the same, but it's just going to allow me to use my platform to a larger audience. So I just want to say, expect amazing and great things from here on out. Thank you so much. I'm going to cry now. I'm going to take these lashes off first, and I'm going to cry now. But thank you so much, and yeah, let me go. But thank you so much, Sephora. Thank you so much to all my friends. Thank you. Whew. We are part of the squad. We are a part of Sephora Squad. Peace. For a highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight where my face is a little bit wet still. I'm going to use Artist Couture. This is the Jackie Aina collaboration with Artist Couture. Although this product is not available anymore, it is sold at Sephora. Well, Artist Couture was sold at Sephora. This collaboration was sold at Sephora. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, ooh. Calm down, Niko. Calm down, girl. And to punch it up a notch, I'm going to take the ABH Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood. And I'm actually gonna take that on an eyeshadow brush because I wanna be more target highlighting than doing an all over highlighter with the Jackie Aina one. So I'm just gonna literally take just do y'all see this dimension? I'm so highlighted. So highlighted. So I'm gonna go back into the ABH palette real quickly. I'm gonna take that shade Mulberry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run that on my lower lash line real quickly. So I'm gonna go in and use a little bit of mascara. This is the NARS Climax mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras because it's a wet formula, but it's just so beautiful when it dries down. So if you guys haven't tried it, I think there's like a $12 mini or like a $14 mini that you guys can pick up from Sephora. Try it out. Try it out, sis. Trust me, it's gonna change your mascara game. I just really love this mascara. I just really do. I just really love this mascara. So I'm gonna take this lip liner from Bite Beauty. These I think are getting discontinued or probably already discontinued. This is the shade 46. And I'm just going to kind of fill in the lips. And while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and add on a lip color real quickly. So for my lip combination, I'm going to take the liquid lipsticks. One is from ABH. This is in a shade called Malt. It is a true brown lipstick. I could actually probably use this for foundation, maybe. And then I'm gonna take the NARS. This is the Power Matte Liquid Pigment in the shade called Slow Ride. These are my favorite combination. And I'm gonna pop on my favorite Sephora lash. These are from Sephora collection. These are in the shade called Vivacious, or style called Vivacious. I love these lashes to death. They're only 10 bucks. Alright guys, and that's pretty much everything from Sephora on my face. Wait 1 second. Gloss bomb, of course. Alright guys, that's pretty much everything on my face that you guys can pick up from Sephora. I will leave all information of everything down below in the description bar below if you guys are interested in picking up any particular products that I love to use from Sephora. If you are new and you made it this far and you enjoyed this video, subscribe, sis. Just subscribe. Also comment down below your favorite Sephora products so I can buy more. Buy more and become Rouge before the end of this year. So help me get the Rouge. I need to buy more products. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video here and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Dirty thief, it's done formatted. Done formatted. Done formatted.